Yes, so this is the area where I now harvest my bell pepper them, and we still have a lot more bell pepper coming. We still have a lot more. We still have so many small one coming in. But the reason why we harvest these peppers is because they mature enough, and we don't want their weight to break the pepper limb, because that's what was happening. If you notice, you see how much we got to stake them up and make sure that they steady. So now what we're going to be doing here, we're going to be harvesting these beautiful hot pepper. So it's all about the production in the garden. You could sit down and you could preach all day. If your garden have no production, you actually, I don't know what to say, but it's all about production. These pepper here right now, they need, hey Lara and Sarah, how you doing? These, we're gonna allow these for ripening. These, what we're gonna do, we're gonna take these and we're gonna get the seeds from these. But this pepper is doing really well. Look how much pepper this thing have on. But we mostly allowing them to ripe in. This is another one here that's loaded. That's loaded with pepper. We're gonna just allow them for ripening. These over here is get same pepper plant, but these over here is really massive and loaded with pepper everywhere. This is what we talk about, guys. Production in our garden. So when we harvesting, we have so much. Good, thanks, pepper. Oh, thank you. You see all down here loaded with hot pepper, and these plants produce. So this is what we're talking about. We're talking about growing our food, growing our plants, and the result from the way we grow them is amazing, because we still able to see that our plants grow in abundance. We're still able to get beautiful harvests, and our pepper trees them still loaded with pepper. All right, look how much we don't harvest, so much eggplants already, so much eggplants, and look how much still they've to harvest. So much eggplant. You see eggplant, we have eggplant all down there, all down the side down there. So much still to harvest. Look over here again. All this is eggplant, and we already made our harvest. Look how much eggplant, watch. All this is eggplant. Even over this side, still eggplant. So guys, when you grow in a garden, what is your motive when you grow in a garden? You see, guys, this is a harvest I know did. When you grow in a garden, what is your motive? You have to have, okay, pepper should do well. Look darker. Elephant, okay, someone said, my motive is to have good, safe food to eat. All right. It's all, when you gardening, there's have to be a motive. What is the motive? Your motive. What is your motive in gardening? There's have to be a motive. Or if you don't have a motive, you're going to catch yourself just growing anything. You're going to catch yourself just not paying attention and just doing whatever. You understand? But always remember, Oh, there's a next garden season the next year. The next year we follow us, there is a new garden season. So you always have to have a motive. The motive is getting better, learning more about the plants, and to able to get healthy and safe plant. Like Lara said, like okay,